Hey guys and gals, and welcome back to my channel. Straight away, let me just address finger. Yeah, I'm addressing this in every video right now, so I'm gonna just make it brief. I was leaning on a wall. Turns out the wall wasn't a wall, and it was the hinge of a door. My boyfriend went in the room. I would say in the door. He went to shut the door, and my finger was jammed in the hinge. Now it's like doubled in size. So yeah, hence this little stitch. Just trying to keep them together because my pinky finger won't move or do anything. So yeah. Now today we have the September 2020 Look Incredible box. I'm not gonna lie, of course I've opened this box. It's been in my house for a while now, so I looked at it when it came. That's just because I've not had time to film. I finally gone back to work, and I don't mean like working from home because I've been doing that all along. I mean like in the office, like I'm back in work finally. So happy. I was losing the will in the house. So yeah, I've just been getting my routine right. So I usually film on a Saturday, and yeah, it's just like the last couple of weeks I've been doing things, so I've not had time. So finally got a free Saturday, so I'm filming a whole ton of videos. So this is my box, so if you want to see what's inside of it, just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so my box. Oh, this is living with a puppy life. My pup just eats anything that she sees, and I mean anything. So yeah, there's that. So if I open it up, we didn't get the leaflet that we usually get. I know last month I got like just a little piece of paper, you know, just explaining what was in it, how much they were, etc, etc. I didn't get that this month. I mean, it's fine, it's no problem. But yeah, in this box we don't get fuzzies, we don't get gift wrap, we don't get none of that. Everything just comes in it. I'm gonna just start with this because I don't like it. I think it's cool that they put this in. I just hate it. So they've put in a YSL pierce. It's this blue colour. Do you know what? I hate blue. Like blue as a colour just really doesn't sit well with me. Maybe if it was red, I could gift it to someone. Like my nan loves red. I don't know anyone who likes this colour blue, to be perfectly honest. Oh, and it fell. But yeah, does that. It's just a little pierce. Open it up, it's got a little mirror, and there's a little bit there to put your change. But apart from that, maybe you put like cards in here, or you'd have to put your notes. It's really quite small, to be perfectly honest. But yeah, there's that. Next thing that we actually got a lip liner from NARS. This is the Precision Lip Liner, and the one I got is in the shade. How are you meant to know what shades it is? Spunk. Sorry, what? That name's thrown me. Who calls a lip liner spunk? What a horrible name. I am shook. But yeah. Okay, NARS. Why they gotta be so dirty? They've got an orgasm blush and now a spunk lip liner. So this is what the lip liner looks like. This is very deep. Okay. I'm gonna swatch. I've still got some swatches here from my last video, so I'm gonna just swatch up here. So when you see this, you're gonna be like, woo, oh mama Jesus. Very deep, like very deep. This is like a deep brown but with like a red undertone. Let me just say, I will never ever use this as a lip liner. Just way too dark. But I will definitely use this as an eyeliner on my waterline for like nights out, because I don't like to put anything as dark as black in my waterline. I just feel it closes the eyes. So this would be a good alternative to give me the deepened look in the waterline, but not as deep as black. Then we got an eyeshadow from a brand called Delilah. This is the Colour Intense Compact eyeshadow powder, and mine is in the shade Mahogany. This is not my favourite colour ever, so this is it. It's quite unusual. I'm just going to swatch it. What would you even describe this as? It's not grey, and it's not brown, and it's not black. It's like an in-between of them all with a tiny bit of gold shimmer. I'm just going to put that next to the lip liner. So that's how it swatches. It's very cool tone. You can't see the glitter at all through it, to be honest. It is quite nice. It's just not my type of a colour. However, whilst I don't wear this often, if I was doing a black smoky eye, again, I'm not that into black. It's too dark for me. Really closes my eyes. This would be a good alternative for a black smoky eye if you don't want to go as deep as black. So that is definitely something I will try. Now, this next product, I've actually been using this all month since I got the box, and I have been loving it. It's my favourite of all time ever right now. We got this Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer. Let me just say, this is massive. Does it tell me? 25 grams of product. Like, that's huge. Look at the size of that to my head. It is absolutely massive. Does have a mirror. But yeah, it's gorgeous. Like, it's this, it is this beautiful tan colour. It's nice and warm, but it's not even close to being orange. She says, as it looks orange on the swatch. This is just the most gorgeous colour on the skin, and even when I'm super pale like this and I don't have false tan on, this is how I've been wearing it, and it just makes my skin gorge. Like, gives me that like natural bronzy look and isn't too much for my super Casper white skin. So I have been honestly dying over this. Then finally, the last product that we got, honestly this was such a good box. Like, this is my favourite subscription box anyway. It's the more pricey end of the spectrum. It's £35 for the box, but it is so worth it. We then got the Becca times Chrissy Craven's Lip Icing Glow Gloss Kit. So this is Chrissy Teigen. Like, look at this. We got 3 lip products in here. So they're obviously all glosses. You open it up. Packaging is everything. And these are the products that we get. So we get this gorgeous one. In fact, I'll pop them out. Although the packaging's gorgeous, I never keep big bulky boxes. So the first one that we have is this one here. It is this gorgeous pinky nude shade, and it has some gold glitters in it. This is in the shade Creme Brulee. So that is it just there. Super neutral. You can definitely see the glitters. Just really nice and pretty. Then we got this colour. This is called Cinnamon Bun. It is this beautiful brown shade, like a deep nude brown with gold glitters through it. This is really like bronzy looking. So that is that one. Again, just gorgeous. The next one that we got is called Sugar Plum. Quite similar to the last one, however this one is definitely more red toned, and again it has gold glitters. It looks like they all have the gold glitters in them. Oh wow, this is the most pigmented. That's actually gorgeous, and it comes off more of, wow, it's like a really nice kind of muted berry shade. Absolutely gorge. And then the final one we have, I can't see any glitters in it. It's called Candy Cane, and this just looks like a pure red gloss, no glitter whatsoever. I'm just going to put this one below them. Wow, this one's really pigmented. Okay, Candy Cane, I see you, huns. And that is that one. I'm actually going to put this one. Shall I? Yeah. I'm going to put this one on now. Oh my god. that formula. Oh my god, there's nothing sticky whatsoever. That honestly is such a nice formula. Like, it looks really natural. It's not, you know what I mean, it looks like a gloss, and it's got that nice shine to the lips, but I feel like I've highlighted my lips. Like, it's not juicy or anything like that, it's just gorgeous and shiny. Does that make sense? Like, gloss can sometimes be juicy. This isn't too much. This is like a subtle gloss, and there's nothing sticky about it. And I mean, I say about glosses, I'm like, it's not sticky, but like, and I usually mean it. I always mean it. This one's extra not sticky. Like, it feels like a lip cream. Does that make sense? Like, this does not feel like I have gloss on my lips or whatsoever. Okay, so the value of the lip liner is £19. The value of my new favourite bronzer that when I run out of probably can't afford to repurchase is £38, so more than the whole value of the box. The value of the gloss set was £25. The value of the single shadow alone was £20, which is a lot for a single shadow, and I have absolutely no idea what this was worth. So thank you guys so much for watching. I am so overjoyed with that box. I get excited for the Look Incredible box every single month. Like, it's such an amazing box. I do hope that you thought the products were as amazing as I did. I can't wait to play with them. This is just my fave ever. I'm using it all the time, but I definitely can't wait to start wearing these glosses, and I will definitely have to try a smoky eye using these two products very, very soon. I do hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You can hit the one down below, the one in the shape of a heart, or you can hit the one in the form of my big face at the end of this video. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.